Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing great today. So this vlog is all about unboxing this EPSON L121 printer na napakahirap hanapin. This is for our upcoming business.
Wow!
Supportahan nyo guys. And I will do some videos for our business. Right. So, share ko lang, napakahirapan natin nito sa mga malls within Cavite at sa mga local sellers. Kasi mostly, ang nilalabasan ng EPSON is L3210 pataas pa nyo. So, itong L121 is napakahirap na natin. Kahit yung 310, mahirap na ng EPSON. And, yun, that's it. Let's unbox this. Guys, thank you so much. That's it for this unboxing video. And abangan nyo yung thank you so much nga pala sa seller nito. Sa Shopee namin siya binili. And ito yung seller na pinagbigay namin. Tingnan nyo na lang. And thank you kasi wala naman siyang damage. Ayan. Ito nyo naman sa video if you can watch the entire video. Walang damage, kompleto rin. Yung mga inks nga, kompleto. Tsaka yung mga accessories, kompleto. And also, installer for this. Mabilis din yung shipping nito. Thank you so much talaga sa seller. And supportahan nyo rin yung page nila sa Facebook and also sa Shopee. Yung shop nila. So, next video is for installation. Wait nga ako.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much talaga din sa seller kasi napakabilis ng shipping. One day lang, the next day nakuha na namin agad.
Wow.
Thank you so much, guys. And I hope you like this unboxing video for this EPSON L121. And please watch out also for my next vlog for the installation. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you like this. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also you can share this video so others will be able to see it. And keep safe, everyone. Goodbye for now. See you on my next vlog.